Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated and best-selling SUVs of the decade, the 2025 Toyota RAV4. Toyota has refreshed this compact SUV once again, giving it sharper styling, improved tech, and even better fuel economy. So if you're considering getting behind the wheel of a capable, reliable, and stylish crossover, you might want to stick around until the end. Let's start by talking about the exterior design of the 2025 RAV4. At first glance, the front of the RAV4 looks more refined and aggressive than before. The grille has been reworked into a hexagonal, honeycomb-like pattern, and it's flanked by sleeker LED headlights with a slimmer profile. The daytime running lights now flow seamlessly into the hood line, giving it a confident, futuristic stance. The Toyota emblem sits proudly up front, and for hybrid models it's accented with a blue hue. The front bumper is also sculpted with stronger lines that add to the SUV's rugged appeal. And depending on the trim, you might even get some sporty blacked-out or chrome accents. Moving to the side, the RAV4 maintains its signature profile, but with sharper contour lines that make it look more athletic. The wheel arches are slightly more pronounced, giving it a stronger off-road-ready vibe. Toyota offers wheel sizes ranging from 17 to 19 inches, and the design changes across trims, from functional, tough-looking alloys on the Adventure and TRD off-road models to sleeker, urban-style rims on the XLE Premium and Limited trims. Roof. Rails now come standard on most models, and there's a nice chrome strip or blackout package, depending on the exterior theme you choose. The overall side silhouette balances elegance with utility, and it continues to be one of the best looking in the compact SUV segment. Around the back, Toyota keeps things consistent, yet adds a few fresh touches. The taillights have been redesigned with a more three-dimensional look, and are now fully LED across all trims. There's a new rear bumper design with a faux skid plate that subtly hints at the RAV4's off-road capability. The integrated spoiler adds a sporty touch, and the rear windshield is slightly more raked, contributing to a more dynamic overall design. A hands-free power liftgate is available on higher trims. Inside the cabin, the 2025 RAV4 impresses with a well-thought-out layout, quality materials, and upgraded tech. The dashboard is dominated by a new 12.3-inch touchscreen display on upper trims, while lower trims still get an 8-inch or optional 10.5-inch screen. Toyota has finally updated its infotainment system, and it's now more responsive, user-friendly, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster can also be digital, depending on the trim, providing crisp and customizable visuals. Soft touch materials are generously spread across the dashboard and door panels, and there are more premium trim options, including wood grain accents or brushed aluminum finishes. Seating in the RAV4 continues to be spacious and supportive. The front seats offer plenty of adjustments, including lumbar support and heating, shock ventilation on higher trims. Rear seat passengers also benefit from generous legroom and rear air vents, and there's even an option for heated rear seats. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues with familiar yet refined powertrain options. The base models are powered by a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, producing 203 horsepower, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's a solid setup, providing adequate power for daily driving and excellent fuel efficiency, up to 30 mpg combined. If you want better mileage, the hybrid model is the way to go, pairing that same engine with 2 electric motors to deliver a total output of 219 horsepower, while achieving an impressive 40+ mpg combined. Then there's the plug-in hybrid variant, known as the RAV4 Prime, offering up to 302 horsepower and an electric-only range of around 42 miles. Great for those short commutes. On the road, the RAV4 is composed and confident. The steering is light yet accurate, and the suspension does a good job of smoothing out road imperfections. For a more rugged experience, The TRD off-road trim offers all-terrain tires, off-road tuned suspension, and multi-terrain select modes, making it a surprisingly capable option for light trail duty. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 lineup offers something for every budget. The base LE model starts around $30,000, offering all the essentials including Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which brings adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and pre-collision braking. The XLE and XLE Premium climb into the mid-$30,000 range and add more tech and comfort features. The hybrid models begin just slightly higher but pay off in fuel savings over time. The TRD off-road trim is priced around $40,000, while the luxurious Limited and the powerful RAV4 Prime can go north of $45,000, especially with added packages. You might also want to cross-shop the Mazda CX-5 or Honda CR-V, but in terms of all-around value and Toyota's legendary reliability, the RAV4 remains a class leader. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 2025 Toyota RAV4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Got questions or want to share your thoughts on the new RAV4? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.